Hey warriors, hold on to your helmets because the US Army just took missile warfare to a whole new level with the Precision Strike Missile, or as we like to call it, PrSM, the game changer of the future. Out with the old, in with the PrSM. This bad boy can fly farther, pack more punch, and hit more targets than its predecessor, the ATACMS. The US Army is testing a new and powerful missile that will eventually replace the MGM-140 Army Tactical Missile Systems, or ATACMS, a weapon that made its battlefield debut last month in an effective strike on Russia's helicopter fleet. It's the missile makeover we've all been waiting for. The recent test? Oh, it was a bullseye, and the Army's gearing up to field the PrSM by 2023. Ukraine got its hands on the M39 ATACMS missiles from the US, showing Russia a taste of its own medicine by striking helicopters at air bases. The ATACMS, a force to be reckoned with, dispersing bomblets like confetti. But hey, Uncle Sam was a bit cautious due to stockpile concerns and the risk of turning up the heat on the conflict. But wait, there's more. The Army's cooking up some serious upgrades for the PrSM. PrSM Increment 2 with a multi-mode seeker for hitting moving targets, Increment 3 with enhanced lethality payloads, and hold your breath for Increment 4. This one's a showstopper, new form, new propulsion. With a range of nearly 250 miles, the PrSM crushes the maximum distance than any ATACMS variant can travel, 186 miles with a unitary warhead. Additionally, a HIMARS launch pod is capable of holding 2 PrSMs, whereas it can only hold 1 ATACMS munition, thus doubling the volume of fire.